GM had recently made an announcement that it is ditching Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for its vehicles starting 2024, saying that they were not safe and they were planning to launch its own version of its software. Some of the early real-world reviews of the 2024 Chevy Blazer EV has emerged, and it is really showing that GM is not ready for prime time. Both Edmunds and Inside EV had published stories this week highlighting some major problems with 2024 Chevrolet Blazer EVs. The headlines of both stories do a nice job of summarizing their respective experiences. Inside EV says that 2024 Chevrolet Blazer EV has left me stranded in rural Virginia. Edmunds has said that our Chevy Blazer EV has 23 problems out after only 2 months. These full stories go in depth on the multitude of problems both sides have been facing with the EV, many of which are hardware faults and failures. From this story, you can see some of the complaints are about the new in-car infotainment system that replaces Apple CarPlay. Nick at Edmunds described the experience of GM's infotainment system getting stuck in the infinite reboot loop. He said, the recent trip from Los Angeles to San Diego to attend the media event for the Blazer EV, funnily enough, started uneventfully. Then the Windows switch refused to work, and the infotainment display completely melted down, stuck in the infinite loop of shutting off, turning on, displaying a map centered in the middle of the Pacific Ocean, and turning back off again. It did this until we pulled off of a freeway and restarted the car. All was well after the reset, but an hour later it happened again. In Insider's EV, Kevin has said initially the Blazer EV started fine, but after 25 minutes there was a quick pause on the Bluetooth audio and then the whole infotainment system went blank. The heating, AC and volume control still worked, but all the icons were missing. The gauge cluster Google Map integration still showed my location, and I still had the speed and range when I figured the car was okay. This was just a glitch. So GM is going from a great solution to a weird in-house solution. Developing software is very hard. That's why Apple and Google is dominating the software world, and I don't know why car companies or other companies think they can do better than them.